Namaste friends, welcome back to Pavitexo. In this video, we will understand how to install the current version of Eclipse on Windows 11. So let's start. Go to the web browser, on the Google type Eclipse and press enter. The official website is visible, eclipse.org. Click on it. After clicking on official website, the download button is visible on the right. Click on it. So the download section is visible. Go below. Here the current version is visible. Click on it and here two versions are visible. The first one is for Intel and AMD processors. So I am having an AMD processor. So I will click here. If you want to check, go to start and type about your PC. And here you can see your processor. So I am having AMD processor. So in this way you can also check. The mirrors are visible. Click on download. The download started. So here it is. So let's wait for the download. We have downloaded the exe file and click open to begin the installation. So the setup has started. Here we have different versions of Eclipse. We want Java. So here are different versions. So I want for Java. I will click here. After clicking, here it is automatically showing the current version, Java version. Therefore, you don't need to install Java separately. Okay. And here is the following location where the Eclipse will be get installed. And it will also create a start menu entry and desktop shortcut. And click on install. Accept the term. Click accept here. Now the installation started. Let's wait. We have installed Eclipse. Directly click launch here, or the shortcut is also visible here. So you can also click here. I will click launch. Now here you need to select the workspace. Workspace is a place where all your projects, plugins and files will be saved. This is the location. Keep it as it is, and you can also select this as the default. Click launch. So Eclipse has been launched. Now go to file, new, and click on Java project and add the project name. So I will give Pavi application. And here is the location of the project. And our project will be saved here. And the execution environment is, and it automatically took the 23 version. Uncheck this. This is not required right now. Click on next. Click finish. To make your project visible, go to Windows. Here click on package. And here is your project. Right click on it, click on new and click on create a class to create a new Java class. Now we will name it as demo and select public static void main and uncheck this for a basic program. And we can also add the package. So I will add it as com.pavitexo. Now click finish. Now here is your first Java program. So let us print something. Here I will write system dot out dot println. So here inside we will add some message. So I will give it as hello world and give semicolon. And this was our class file. Make sure that class file and the file name are both are same, else it will give an error. Now everything looks fine. Go to file, click on save, and now here right click, run as, and select Java application. So as you can see here we have got the output as hello world, and this is what we printed, hello world. So this was all about today's video. We have seen how to install Eclipse on our Windows. Thank you.